This is the first set of homework problems for Chapter 17, Waves and Sound, and this group is going to be frequency and period problems. So here goes. Number 1, a certain FM radio station broadcasts jazz music at a frequency of 101.9 megahertz. What is the wave's period? Now, as you remember, frequency is equal to 1 divided by period, and period is 1 over frequency. So the period of this wave is going to be 1 divided by the frequency, 101.9, and megahertz. Mega is times 10 to the 6th hertz. And when I plug that into my calculator, let me pick my calculator up here, I've got 1 divided by 101.9 to the 6th, and I end up with 9.81 times 10 to the negative 9 seconds. Now, where do seconds come from? I have hertz in the sub-basement. 1 hertz is a per second, so I've got 1 divided by 1 over seconds, invert and multiply, seconds over 1. I end up with a unit of seconds. Let's go to the next one. Zelda sits on a dock and counts 16 waves pass by her in 7.5 seconds. What's the frequency of these waves? Well, frequency is number of waves that pass per unit time. So we have got 16 waves, and this occurs in 7.5 seconds. I'm going to pick up my calculator. 16 divided by 7.5, and I'm going to end up with 2.13, and that is waves per second. Now, remember, waves, cycles, things like that are just placeholders. So the frequency is 2.13 hertz. Because this is a word, it's not a unit, we end up with basically units of per second, and a per second is a hertz. Next one down. The next one is the frequency of middle C on a piano is 256 hertz. What is the period of this note? So period is 1 divided by frequency. So 1 divided by 256 hertz. So I take 1 divided by 256, and I get 0.00. Now, those are not significant figures. Those are placeholders. 390625, rounded off to 3 sig figs. Period is 0.00391. And hertz, again, is in the sub-basement. 1 divided by 1 per second. 1 times seconds over 1. So this will be seconds. Last one of this group. When a concert band tunes up, they commonly play a note called concert A with a frequency of 440 hertz. How many of these sound waves will pass by a listener's ear in 1 minute? So I've got the frequency. Frequency is 440 hertz. I want to know number of waves per minute. We also know frequency is number of waves that will pass by per unit time. So this is basically saying 440 waves per second, because that's what a hertz is. And I want in minutes, I want to get rid of seconds, keep minutes in the bottom. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 440 times 60, 440 times 60, I got 26400 waves per minute. And that ends the first 4 problems. We will see you later. Bye-bye.